Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to be creating a simple PHP program. This program will take three numbers and calculate their average. It's a very simple program for beginners in PHP, and without much further ado, let us begin. So here inside my Visual Studio Code, I will create this file and call it average.php. So inside this average.php file, I'm going to generate a HTML boilerplate, and this we're going to call the title. How to calculate averages in PHP. Now inside the body, we're going to create a form, and then the action of this form will be average.php, and then the method will be post. Now within this form, we're going to add a label, and the label will be label for doubles, and here we'll say doubles, and then we're going to add an input, and this input will be the type of number, and the name of this input will be double A, because it's going to take the first number and the step will be equal to 0.01. Now I'm going to copy this into three more places. Yes. So here we're going to have double B for the second number and double C for the third number. So now this one will have a value of submit, and the type will be submit also. Now we have created our form. Let us check out the form and see what it looks like. So here we'll say localhost, depending on where your this thing is, your WAMP server or MAMP server or XAMPP, anyone you're using, like YouTube/average.php. So guys, here is our form, but it does nothing at the moment. So let's go back and create the functionality. So here we'll say we'll create the PHP tag. So this will be PHP, and then here we'll create the closing tag. So our PHP scripts will be within these two tags. So first of all, we will check if the values of the double A, double B, and double C are set in post request. So how do we check this? We'll say if is set underscore post double A, I copy this, and set double B and set double C. C. Then, so we're checking if the values of double A, double B, and double C are set in the post request. So here we will say function, we'll create a function that will calculate our average. We say function calc average to be equal to $double A. This double A is the variable holding the first number, and underscore post double A. Why am I getting this error here? Function calc average, expected syntax error. Sorry, why is there a syntax error there? So guys, sorry about that. Some of these VS Code plugins can be troublesome sometimes, you know. So now this is the double A, and what we did here is that we get the value of double A from the post request, and we will do the same for double B and double C. So let's copy this, paste. So this is for double A, double B, and double C. So we change this to B, change this to C, and then we will say we will now calculate the average. We will say a new variable average will be equal to double A plus double B plus double C all of them divided by 3, because there are 3 numbers, so we divide it with the number of the number of variables that we have here. So this function, this variable here, which is average, is equal to double A, double B, double C divided by 3, and then we will say echo the average of the 3 doubles is dot average. Then so this echo is used to display the result of the calculation. So we will now say return average, and then outside of this function we will call the calc average function. We'll call it say calc average. So the calc average function is called now, and it will display the average. So guys, let us test our program. It's just a very simple one, but it's good for beginners. Now let's test our program. We'll go to we'll go to we'll say the first double here. Let's refresh this. First double here, we'll say 45.2. And submit. Now, the average of the three doubles is 270.25. So this can calculate ordinary numbers, ordinary integers as well. So we shouldn't even call it doubles all the time. So like I calculated the average of these integers. So guys, we have come to the end of this lesson. If you want to learn more about PHP, please hit the like button, make a comment, let me know you want more videos. That's what encouraged me to make videos. But if nobody, even if it's one person that want to watch more tutorials on this, I will make more. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.